Blessings. Blessings to you, your family, your loved ones, your friends, your pets. Blessings to me, my family, my loved ones. I have no pets. Update. Let's look at the snow. Look how high it is. And that snow hasn't even been touched yet. Look at the roads. Look at the sidewalk. A lot of people haven't even shoveled their snow. Look at the sidewalk. It's very high. Very high. The roads. There is ice in the street, as you can see right here. There's a glance of ice if you can see it. The sun is trying to shine a little bit. It is chilly. It's around 8, I would say 8:10, 8:12 in the morning. And the roads are very snow on it and ice. Be very careful. Some people have did their sidewalk ways, and now this one did their sidewalk way. Why? Because this is a bar. This is a school. So now here we are. And the weather's not getting no better. They said it's supposed to stop today. I don't know what time, but whatever it is, they're going to the police. Going inside 7-Eleven. Okay. So, if I forgot to mention, I say it again. Blessings to you, your family,